Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we'll be going through the MIRKA Solutions Trolley and Workstation for everything for your workshop ergonomical needs. Right in front of me right now is the MIRKA Solutions Trolley. Nice slick trolley with plenty of space for your block paper, 150mm discs, gloves and any other equipment that you need to either paint prep or panel beat. The advantage of this trolley is, one, the handle doubles as a shelf to put the rest of your equipment on, as well as a nice bit of space to put plenty of paper and anything else you need to do your job. The handle is important because all four wheels on this trolley actually move, making it very easy to move around. And as you can see, plenty of storage. Lockable keys for either more equipment, sanding discs, or of course your personal gear. Spinning it around again. Nice easy hook-up lead for anything you need to do to pack up the shop. As we keep spinning, the 1230 vac is what we're using today. And as you can tell, a lot of areas to wrap up any leads and cords that you need. Other advantages of this trolley is the bin, as well as our drawers, for anything that you need to put away to keep your workshop clean, safe, as well as everything off the ground. And that is the MIRKA Solutions Trolley. Now this right next to me is the MIRKA Workstation that clips on straight onto the 1230 vac, giving you another option for those smaller shops and tighter areas, but yet able to keep everything off the ground and more ergonomical and easy to move around. So as you can see, the vacuum does have wheels, so we can move around the workshop. Down here are a couple of attachments and clip fasteners that clip in to the actual workstation. In the middle, we've got plenty of space to either put cases as well as your flexible MIRKA Golds. All these are attachments that can come on and off, so you can customize the way you want your workstation to look. This here is a shelf that handles everything else, as well as your leads, masking tape, whatever you need. Part of the workstation is your tool hangers, so you can hang up your tools and keep them off the ground. The other option here is this other big black shelf that actually does come with the workstation. It is movable and adjustable, but as you can see, fits plenty of paper for either your panel or paint prep work. This here is another great solution for all your workshop needs to keep everything off the ground and ergonomical, keeping your painters, panel beaters and everyone within their area.